1B, buckle up your shoes, grab your trail snacks, and get ready because today we're heading to one of the most legendary peaks in the Philippines. See you!
Located between Laguna and Batangas, Mount Makiling is a biodiversity hotspot, home to rare plants, vibrant birds, and insects you've probably never seen before. But it's not just nature, it's a scientific wonderland. Managed by the University of the Philippines Los Baños, the mountain features marked trails, signboards, and fun facts along the way. So join us in this adventure. Every adventure needs a cast of characters. Mount Makiling, meet your challengers.
Hello, so I'm Ed from Family Baklase and Biodiversity. And yeah, I am the adventurous person from Quezon Province.
Hi, I'm Hannah, ang ever-ready ate ng Bulacan. I'm from the team Ecosystem and Systematic.
Hi, ako si Sam, ang Kikay Wonder ng Makati from Ecosystem and Systematic.
안녕하십니까, Junun Mikaela Mida. Hello, I am Gavin Sartot from Family Baklase 128 and Biodiversity 160. Why did you not vote Baklase? Is there only one of you supporting us? Anyways, yung moniker ko ay The Malditang Prinsesa ng Muntinlupa City.
Hi, I'm Memphis, the absent boy from Las Piñas.
Hello, I am Ira Vita Cruz, Memphis' Left Nuts, aka Pinaka-Foggy. Joke lang.
Hello, I'm Roxy from Team Ecosystem and Team Systematics, the redhead wonder of Taguig.
Hello, I'm Gail, introvert ng Naga City from Group Family Baklase and Biodiversity.
Hello, I'm Basti from Think Unlimited and Ecosystem. I guess you can call me the bunso of the class from NCR.
Okay, hi guys. I'm Poppy from Team Hoya Kamingiana for 128 and Siopao from 160. Ang biyahero from Antipod.
Hello, ako si Dex. Nagko-commute from Nueva Vizcaya.
Hi, I'm Maria.
And I'm Gwen.
And we are the After Class Chikadoras from Manila.
Hi guys, I am Carl Tamayo. Ang taga-taid Charala ng Rosity Capiz na napadpad dito sa Los Baños, Laguna. I'm from 1B, Siopao. I love my Siopao people.
Hello, I am Jo from Team Siopao, ang pandak na gastadora ng Ilocos Sur.
Hello, I am Ito Vicencio from Group 4. Raining from Cebu, ang Bisayang palaging sinayang.
Hello, I am Nadine from Team Siopao and Think Unlimited, Filipino spy ng China.
Hi, I'm Nicole, ang 5 o'clock girly now from Balok, Manila. And I'm from Team Siopao.
Hi, I'm Saska from Ecosystem and Monocutes, and I'm the Chinita Princess of Cavite.
Hi, I'm Ka. I'm from Group Monocutes and Biodiversity. Ako ang perfect daughter ng Isabela.
Hi, I'm Lars from Group Monocutes and from Group Biodiversity, and ako ang sleep-deprived caffeine addict ng Iloilo City.
Our day started basically at 4 a.m. Nagkaroon ng call time sa UP Manila and then we got here sa UPLB. Biyahe pa lang, sobrang exhausting na kasi ayun, medyo mahaba.
Kanina, nung pupunta kami, na-start pa lang, parang naisip ko, ay, parang carry naman pala siya. Siyempre, simula pa lang, edi fresh pa lahat. Yan, ganda-ganda, no? Picture-picture lang.
Thankful lang din na hindi super, as in hindi yung super nakakapaso sa mukha yung init, gano'n.
Bandang nasa trail na kami, medyo kinakabahan na ako kasi wala pala akong signal. Iniisip ko yung nanay ko, wala pa akong update sa kanya. Tapos wala pa akong, mula 5 a.m. pa last kong chat sa kanya. Tapos 8 a.m. na, edi feeling ko tinatadad niya na ako ng mga calls at chat sa Messenger pero hindi ko nakikita. Tapos, habang nasa baba na kami, iniisip ko parang madali naman pala siya bumaba. Tinuturuan na kami ni Sir Jasper kung paano maglakad. Sabi niya, kapag daw steep na, ganito daw maglakad. Like, sa ankle daw, gano'n. Tapos, wala lang, parang wow, ang galing na tip. Very useful, ang galing.
May hidden fear of heights pala ako. Tapos, masaya naman siya for the experience. Sini ko.
Bakit mo?
Hello? Hello? Bakit ka raw? Hello, sir? Sir, oh.
Okay.
Anong sabihin ko, sir?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Talagang.
Mamaya tayo gumawa ng
Bakit siya may salamin sa forest?
Magsa-swimming. Rider yan. Oo.
Dagan na natin.
Asan ka? Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap maging camera.
At this point of the field trip, makikita naman natin na chill pa sila. Pero hindi nila alam that minutes from now...
I guess it was pretty chaotic, so totoo lang.
Ito na yung after effects. May sipon na, may allergy.
And thus kind of getting concerned that we were doing the wrong thing.
Kapag walang kumain, iiyak ako sa bahay in secret.
There was a lot of us yelling at each other when we were trying to measure things. So I guess today yung activity, the activity I'm going to talk about is the one where we had to make like the quadrants and then look at the understory plants and then the trees.
We basically started muna sa quadrant. Ang ginawa namin is we measured 10 meters muna. So basically, 10 meters, basically you made a square. So ginawa ko, instead of 500 centimeters, kinati ko na lang 125, no? So I measured it 4 times. So syempre, big brain tayo. Ayun, so yun na basically, nakuha na natin yung gitna. So pag nakuha natin yung gitna, we connected to the other rope sa dulo. Bali, we make 4 quadrants. So ayun, so we had to count the trees, no? For experimental to, no? We had to count the trees, the species.
Hindi man ako nakatae, meron naman ako mga experiences mula sa pag-setup ng quadrat, sa pagtali, sa pag-cooperate ng mga tao, meron tayong teamwork, meron tayong sense of community dahil sa ginawa namin. It's the first time for me na mag-hike and I think buhay naman ako. Wala akong sugat kasi nag-pants ako, nag-shoes, shoes. And kanina naka-sleeveless ako. Oo, naka-sleeveless ako, so ganun. Pero wala naman ako ganun. Pero medyo sundog yung kamay ko. Pero okay lang, kasi nag-enjoy ako. And natuto ako mag-measure ng measure ng mga puno. Which is fun. Tsaka, actually kinabahan ako kanina kasi sabi nila magtatali na ako and hindi ako confident sa pagtali. Kaya, buti na lang nandun si Kuya Guide as my savior. Kaya, medyo napagaan yung buhay ko. Pero yun pa rin. Napagod ako. Pero I think it's still worthwhile.
Experiment 13 na rin tayo. Basically, we had to look at the girth of the tree from breast height. So yun, measure.
Yung gagawin namin sa 160 lab kanina, from sa center ng transect na line, i-measure yung distance ng bawat tree. And meron kami nakuha na 11 na tree. Akala namin, tapos na namin yung activity, pero hindi pa namin na-measure yung distance. So, binalikan pa namin lahat. Akala namin, una na kaming natapos. Tapos, babalikan pa pala namin yung distance ng 11 na trees na yun. Kaya, last tuloy kaming umakyat.
Ang daming sikada, tapos parang paulit-ulit si Gail. This is how horror movies start. Palayo ng palayo kami.
Mount Makiling or UP Los Baños was super big. Like, compared to our campus of UP Manila, you don't really have a lot of options with where to pick out specimens. Usually, yung sa tabi lang ng GAP or tabi lang ng registrar. But here, we had the whole option of basically like the whole mountain. So, ang layo ng mga inikot-ikutan namin ng groupmates ko. And super fun siya because at the same time, while we were exploring, we also learned like a lot kasi kasama namin si Sir JV and si Sir Robico with every like new specimen that we saw.
Ang onti lang ng plants na may flowers sa nadadaanan namin. So wala kaming makikita. So kailangan namin pa umakyat hanggang may makita kaming flowers.
Manap kami ng specimen sa medyo taas na taas pa na part ng trail. Very nakakapagod, pero nung times na kami lang talaga almost yung nasa trail, very peaceful, parang nakakapagod pero very fulfilling.
But the most fun thing I guess today was the pickup truck because we get to go by the other people. That was nagyayabang kami. Nasa pickup truck kami and you're not. And nobody has eaten my French toast yet, which is so sad. No, guys, masisira na yun and I spent like 2.5 hours on it yesterday. So kainin nyo na guys. Or if kapag walang kumain, iiyak ako sa bahay in secret. And I can't even eat it on my own because masisira na yun.
After nilang kumuha ng mga specimens, nag-press naman sila on-site.
During the pressing, medyo nagkakagulo kami since hindi namin mahanap yung isa't isa, which is because we are from the separate class. And during the pressing then is medyo makalat kami gumawa.
Pero madali lang naman. So, like, binalat lang namin sa newspaper and then prines namin.
Yung mga roots, may dumi-dumi pa. So, kailangan pa namin siya tanggalin. And yung iba, mahirap siya i-flatten kasi nag-roll yung leaves. So, yung isa, may magpa-flat na ganun. Then, yung isa, i-cover yung plant mismo. Then, ang pag-travel naman, nakalagay naman na sila sa wooden press. So, madali na lang siya.
Medyo in-spoil kami ni Ma'am Rubite kaya di namin masyado nakaanda kasi siya na lang gumawa para sa pressing namin. Pero masaya naman siguro panoorin yung process. I think may konting part din kami kasi kami yung naglagay, siya yung nagtuturo, tapos siya na lang din yung nag-i-stack ng mga halaman. Pero ayun, in-speedrun namin yung part na yun. Tapos habang hinihintay namin yung ibang mga halaman, nag-joyride na lang kami sa Tipaklong, yung scooter.
Sobrang na-enjoy ko syempre yung lunch kasi lahat talaga nagdala ng baon, talaga nag-isip ng kung anong babaunin for everyone. Tapos very enjoyable moment lang for me.
Okay, review of the food.
Hi, I'm Gab.
I am Gail.
And we brought French toast and Nutella sprinkled with cinnamon sugar made by toasting the bread in the oven for 350 degrees for 5 minutes. And then you half it and then you put it in the batter, which is made of 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. And then you ganon and then you fry it in butter and then you sprinkle it in the cinnamon sugar. Thank you so much. The cinnamon sugar does not have any measurements. I just don't know. Tinansya ko lang. Thank you.
What he said.
Hi, I'm Ed and I brought eggs.
Hi, I'm Hannah and I brought hot dog.
Hi, I'm Ito and I brought yellow cab.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Hi, I'm Karen.
And we brought kanin.
Hi, I'm Lars and I brought lumpia, 30 pieces. Ayun.
Hi, I'm Jo and I brought Jayco.
Wala, putang Tony.
Hi, I'm Roxy. I brought red ribbon.
Hi, I'm Sasuke and I brought Chicken Joy.
Hi, I'm Dex and I brought donuts. Buy 12, get 6 free.
Hi, I'm Basti. I brought barbecue. Just trust me, it's in here somewhere.
Hi, I'm Gwen and I brought Goldilocks.
Hi, I'm Maria and I brought Mamon.
Hi, I'm Sam and I brought soft drinks.
Hi guys, I'm Poopy and I brought pizza.
Hello, I'm Syra
And I brought siopaw.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
I am Nadine.
And we brought nuggets!
Yo, I'm Memphis. I brought manok, man. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Josh. Instructor nila. And I brought the joy.
Yay! Totoo ba yan?
Ang hirap ng lunch kasi there were 16 students ata sa klase namin. So, lahat iba-iba yung dinalang pagkain. May pizza, may chicken, ganun. Tapos, syempre ayoko naman mabusog. Tapos gusto kong itry lahat ng pagkain. So, ang ginawa ko, inisa-isa ko siya, umikot-ikot ako. Like, ang sarap kasi weirdly, yung pinakagusto ko is yung hotdog tsaka yung itlog. Kahit na may chicken, gano'n from Jollibee, pero yung pinakagusto ko pa rin yung hotdog tsaka yung itlog. Okay naman, masarap naman lahat ng ulam, pero yung Shanghai, ang sarap ng Shanghai. Ang sarap.
After ng lunch, ang sumunod na task ng 1B ay pumunta sa Makiling Botanical Gardens at i-explore ang mga halaman na nandirito.
Unang-una, na-late kami, iniwan kami, ilan kami doon. Kaming magkakagrupo, plus dalawang from other groups, iniwan kami. Tapos kung saan-saan kami gumagala. Halos buong Makiling na yata nilibot namin, and it's fun.
Makikita mo dun sa MBG yung yung actual flowers na pinag-aaralan, like hindi lang through pictures.
Hinila kasi kami ni Dex doon. So, nakakatakot talaga doon sa deep na place. Pero madami kaming nakitang mga heliconia. So, masaya ako kasi medyo gusto ko yung heliconia, yung itsura niya and stuff. Yun lang naman, sir. And enjoyed talking with you, sir.
Ang iba naman ay pumunta sa Mulawin Creek.
So yung akala ko nung pumunta namin doon is that, okay, pag baba sa gilid ng road, sa roadside, meron na agad yung stream. Pero apparently, meron pang babaan. Sobrang dami pang trail ulit and sobrang slope. Tapos daming nadudulas and ang dami pang dala-dala doon.
Doon ako na-strain. Kasi nga, ang trick talaga nung sa streaming, pala pag ganun siya. Tapos,
kakarating pa lang namin ng stream, pinagod na ako. Kasi ang daming lakarin talaga, ang dami ko pang dala. Pagbaba namin sa stream, nagpaa ako papunta dun sa pinakababa. And then, meron isang procedure na tinatawag na kick net. And yung kailangan gawin dito is parang i-disturb yung substrate, ganon-ganon. And para makuha yung mga invertebrates doon na nakatago-tago lang. Medyo nakakatakot din siya. Kakarating pa lang namin sa baba, tapos sinabihan agad ng isang guide na, uy, check mo doon, baka may ahas doon, check mo bago tayo pumunta doon. Eh syempre, lalong nadagdagan yung takot ko doon kasi nakapaa ako, nakatago sa substrate, malay natin, baka ahas na yung nakatago doon o ano-ano.
Sabi ni si ating host, Sir Arvin Barlanga.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Kamusta yung experience mo sa aquatic invertebrates?
I believe dapat ulitin. I believe kailangan namin ng plus points for that.
Like yun,
Agree mo? Agree ka?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus points. Anong ginawa nila, Hana, noong nagmamacro or nag-ano kami, aquatic vertebrates?
Nagpunta kami ng Makiling Botanical Garden.
Not deserving of plus points.
Uy, grabe!
Pinikot namin yung Makiling, ha?
Not deserving of plus points. Plus points.
I believe our own words can't do justice. Ano yung pinagdaanan namin doon? Muntikan na kaming
Si Kuya Bantay called me soft, bro.
Legit? Yung naka-green ba yun?
Kasi malabo mata ko, di ba? I usually wear glasses. Tapos like, I was very careful. So like, I was very slow. Yeah. Call me soft.
As you can see, may natanggal po akong panit dito. Fine. Yes.
Yeah. Kaya plus points.
Very fruitful. Uulitin.
Sana makauwi tayo by 8 p.m. kasi wala lang bus pa uwi. After 8 p.m.
malulungkot, malapit na, baby, pauwi na. Yun sa aking love. Pero makita mo na pyesa, uy, despacito. Para pinagwalis ka na sa sinido. Please cherish you tonight. Malunod na ang puso mo. Ano ba talaga mas gusto mo?
Pagsapit ng Lunes sa UP Manila,
And ngayon, pinalitan na yung mga dyaryo na basa ng dry. Pagpatong-patongin na sila, then i-oven dry na sila.
Ito yung actually yung first time ko na pumunta sa UPLB, kaya very, very memorable tong experience na to sa akin.
Alam mo yun, just looking at everything, like nature and so whatever, it was enjoyable. So it was worth the experience. So.
It was pretty fun. It was a nice experience to be out in the field with classmates.
Very enjoyable moment lang for me.
You get to experience yung nature as a student from UP Manila.
I want to bring my family and my friends here kasi bonding moment siya na you don't have to spend anything. You don't have to talk about anything. You're just gonna explore.
Kasi nag-enjoy ako and nagka-bond sa akin mga blockmates and sa team Siopaw. Yun na.
Pero masaya siya with the friends and teachers, kanon. With Sir Josh. Plastic!
Time to say goodbye na rin to Los Baños, pero it was still a fun experience and I think I will miss this place kasi ang linis compared to compared to no comment.
Thank you so much.
Wala akong tulog at all. Tapos nag-field trip ako buong araw. So, pamatay talaga.